The EcoSmart Eco27 is one of the industry's best-selling whole-home tankless water heaters. Because it is a whole-home model, it can be installed anywhere in a home and still provide service to the entire residence. There are many good reasons why the Eco27 holds the top spot. Utilizing EcoSmart's patented smart technology, this model conserves an impressive amount of energy while still providing adequate amounts of hot water for medium to large-size residences, even during the harsh months of winter. The EcoSmart brand has developed a reputation for creating durable, reliable products that outlast traditional water heaters with tanks. Their compact designs minimize the amount of space required to install a water heater, plus they are aesthetically pleasing to the eye. When properly installed and cared for, any homeowner can rely upon the Eco27 to provide an endless supply of hot water to their home for years to come. In most locations, the Eco27 will provide an adequate amount of hot water on demand. However, its performance is affected by the temperature of the incoming water. If a home's supply of incoming water is less than 37 degrees Fahrenheit, that it will affect its output ability. However, even at such a cold temperature, this water heater can still put out 3 gallons of hot water per minute. EcoSmart includes a helpful reference chart that lists the temperatures of inlet water in different areas of the country, so you will know what to expect from your Eco27. Water output can be adjusted by tweaking the hot water temperature, which can be raised or lowered in 1-degree increments. The EcoSmart Eco27 electric tankless water heater is one of the more powerful tankless water heaters on the market today.
Compared to a traditional tank water heater, a Rinnai tankless water heater is far superior. Here's why. First, a tankless water heater is energy efficient. A tank may heat and reheat water even when you're not at home. A Rinnai tankless water heater heats water only when you need it, resulting in less wasted energy. Second, when demand is high, a tank can run out of hot water, leaving you in the cold. But a Rinnai tankless water heater heats water as it goes through the pipes, giving you an endless supply of hot water for your family or business. Third, an old tank could accumulate rusty sediment over time and leak all over your floor. A Rinnai tankless water heater has a longer lifespan, up to twice as long as a traditional tank. So scrap the tank and start enjoying as much hot water as you need, heated only when you need it, with a Rinnai tankless water heater.
Almost every modern home depends on a water heater similar to these. But after just a few months of use, its efficiency decreases at a high rate, causing the heater to use more energy and take longer to heat the water. Most hot water heaters rely on metallic coils, which can corrode over time and build up hard deposits that can lead to serious problems. Without regular flushing and maintenance, the entire unit could stop working, and corroded metals in the water could even cause potential health issues. At ScioGreen, metal heating elements are non-existent. Instead, we use infrared energy and quartz, which doesn't corrode like metal and lasts longer than other heating elements. Our patented process allows the water and the heating element to remain separate, so ScioGreen systems can run virtually maintenance-free for up to 4 times longer than other heaters. And they also condition the water, making scale deposits and hard water buildup a thing of the past. Our state-of-the-art modulator draws less energy than other tankless systems and only turns on when you need it. Because there's no corrosion, our heaters can sustain peak efficiency for many years. That means a family of 4 can switch from a traditional always-on tank to a ScioGreen solution and save an average of $500 per year in water heating costs for showers alone. Or a restaurant owner converting from gas could save $700 per month. All of our products are designed and engineered in the United States and have been certified by some of the top laboratories in the world. Plus, we offer an assortment of solutions to match your needs, big or small. Whether you're on the go, relaxing at home, or managing a hotel with 350 rooms, there's a ScioGreen solution for you.
Defining a new standard in quality, Rheem continues to advance its award-winning line of condensing tankless water heaters, presenting the new Prestige Series condensing tankless water heaters with EcoNet. This industry-leading, energy-efficient design provides the comfort and convenience of continuous hot water while saving an estimated $1,100 in lifetime energy costs. With Rheem's exclusive water saving setting, you can save up to 1,100 gallons of water per year. Our tankless units are compatible with half-inch gas lines used for traditional water heaters, making replacement easy. And condensing models come with a built-in condensate neutralizer, saving time, materials, and installation costs. Here's a look at how the condensing tankless water heater works. When a homeowner turns on a hot water tap, cold water enters the water heater. The flow sensor inside of the water control valve activates the gas burner, which puts the heat exchanger in a ready state. The incoming cold water first passes through the secondary stainless steel heat exchanger at the top of the unit. Then, the preheated water circulates through the primary copper heat exchanger in the bottom and is rapidly heated to temperature. During this process, condensate is produced within the tankless unit. In this model, this condensate is directed to a neutralization chamber that eliminates acidity so that it can be disposed of in any common household drain. The heated water is then balanced by the computer-controlled water bypass valve so that the hot water exiting the unit is the perfect temperature. This process allows for maximum efficiency, saving energy costs. Combustion gases exit safely through a dedicated sealed vent system. In high-efficiency condensing designs like this one, more of the heat is extracted from the unit's exhaust gases, which means the water heater can be vented with PVC, ultimately simplifying the installation process while saving considerable costs in venting, components, and installation. Plus, our newest tankless condensing high-efficiency design is EcoNet enabled, providing Wi-Fi connected control both at home and away.
Enjoy comfort, convenience, and energy savings with Bosch whole house electric tankless water heaters. The compact, powerful Bosch Tronic Series whole house electric tankless water heaters can be installed almost anywhere in the home. They provide hot water at 97% efficiency with virtually no standby heat loss as with traditional tank-type water heaters. Tronic Tankless Series units have modulating heating elements to ensure a constant temperature output to supply comfortable hot water to sinks, bathrooms, wet bars, patio kitchens, or nearly anywhere that's supplied with a cold water line. Tronic Tankless Series units may be conveniently installed in a closet, utility room, in a basement, or close to the point of use. As hot water is called for, Tronic Tankless heaters instantaneously heat the water. Because it's tankless, the Tronic Tankless stores no hot water in a tank, so only a cold water line connection is required. And it requires no valuable floor space. Tronic Tankless heaters are available in 3 sizes: 17 kilowatt, 27 kilowatt, or 36 kilowatt, all with 97% thermal efficiency and offer a 5-year limited warranty. For homes, businesses, garage apartments, in-law suites, anywhere hot water is needed without the hassle of a bulky, energy-wasting hot water tank, the smart solution is the Bosch Tronic Electric Whole House Tankless Water Heater. Bosch Tankless Water Heaters. Invented for life.